Netflix fans are buzzing after a surprise HUNTR X clip drops, sparking wild claims it might be AI generated. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The trio behind the smash hit Kpop Demon Hunters appeared in a 10-second thank you video for Spotify Wrapped 2025, thanking fans for streaming their record-breaking soundtrack. But eagle-eyed viewers noticed something strange. Released on December 3rd, the clip initially appeared only for Spotify users, whose top artist of the year was HUNTR X. Soon, it went viral on X, Reddit, and other platforms. Fans were thrilled, but some couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. Observers pointed out a subtle lag between the group's voices and mouth movements, Mira cutting off Zoe mid-word, and Zoe's pitch sounding unusually high. Despite the speculation, the video could simply have been a rush fan thank you from Netflix, and Sony Pictures Animation whipped up quickly to match the Spotify Wrapped hype. After all, the Kpop Demon Hunters soundtrack was massive in 2025. Spotify reports it as the second most streamed album globally, with Golden ranking 7th in the most played songs of the year. Even megastars like Lady Gaga, Billie Eilish, and Sabrina Carpenter were outstreamed. Whether AI generated or not, the clip captured hearts. Fans shared and replayed it endlessly, praising the brand's charm and the surprise gesture. And with the Netflix film still streaming and the soundtrack available on Spotify, Apple Music, and other platforms, the HUNTR X frenzy shows no signs of slowing. It's clear the fans can't get enough of HUNTR X, proving that the world is officially hooked on Kpop Demon Hunters. What's your favorite Kpop Demon Hunter song? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.